most often, say yeba be yi Kumasi Asante Kotoko board new chairman near CEO. The other thing say Kotoko no any kwanzi running the radio, so any kwanzi Kotoko shouldn't be run on radio. So I comment we a tyranny trooper say radio for no omuna say Kotoko yenchechi nyoma mukakra. Now, wow, team, wow, heaven. I'm sure say you have your opinions about this particular subject matter. Radio 4 no, they have a role to play in ensuring that Kotoko be successful. Ebuntia, since way back, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Radio 4 a play or role. Oko days back, Herbert time no, na Sejolaka sometime amo, and a bright can come board do moso. I could so answer. That is say if it's in no Kotoko successfulness no Radio 4 a play role. Untimi emonja homo. Na one thing yina ya adwen mouse on say in the very last administration management of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, which is led by Amponsah, Obano, the same advice and a kobai say oh, Nanaya, wo bane de, when one korane, Kotoko no radio so, to say de, wana wechemuno, erane Kotoko radio so. Nanaya obaye no, or no decide say, on rane Kotoko radio so. So Nanaya an rane Kotoko radio so no, ask yourself, say, results net is saying, what's the results? What's the results in terms of trophy, in terms of infrastructure, and in terms of stadium attendance? Stadium attendance crowd are worse. Na cast wani ekwechiri. Abrana radio phone involve. Na the so-called say yeah run Kotoko radio no so no. Samre no na Kotoko results to saying. Na Kotoko attraction to saying. Yes, we all know say we are in the digital era. But Kotoko supporters digital era the two albums nipa bebre but more now abruchi to say me no more hemi or more video more now abruchi into the traditional media no very important enti Kotoko no should be run on radio. Maybe that's my point. It should be run on radio. Or more successful with Kotoko in time past na Kotoko a boy mu de no Radio 4 a play role. Inti ade na sesan ya afidi say Kotoko shouldn't be run on radio. Na Amponsah ba we decide say on Radio 4 nya adwuma. Busa ho say results no et saying. I don't know whether you get the point. And na social media obi nya data 50 pesos no dey abet na Facebook no or church or comment but stadium on Kotoko no the tradition no bibia won the traditional radio no eka ho sa Kotoko wo game abons jingles near the radio station ya to agum Kotoko for deep rooted omutie we menim say mo ya we pacho we a opinionated feature obetime the comment about all this one. Inti pacho utia also obetime the comments your opinions about this subject matter atudwa in the comment section. Maybe the madring and a match regarding Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The ye yum na ne Kotoko no the one is in no na besa TSC sa ne papa no no. That's why midway atudwa no. I don't know what you think. You can leave your comments in the comment section. Na ye nyina yato ewo ho. Medusia echia bebre. Me call